we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. When I saw your face, I could feel my heart finishing a race so this love could start. Now you're in my arms, I'm not letting you go.
You're watching Tammy B. Jones, where if you don't want to buy it, then just DIY it with your home inspire. I'm back and I was pulling in my yard and I realized the rain is beating my poor flowers. They're dying. They don't last long anyways, but I think I'm going to clip some and try to put some in the house before they finally shed all.
No one in my life could ever try to make me better like the way you do. Can't you see I'm standing? Can't you see I'm coming? Only going higher, baby, with you. Lately I pray and say you're the reason I know I can fly the greatest. You are the greatest. You are the greatest. Love, yeah. So I gotta tell you, you are the greatest. You are the greatest. Love, and I can see I'm there, right there in your heart. So I'm down, girl, I'll be staying down, 'cause you are the greatest. You are the greatest love. You're the only one in the world for me. I don't care about what my family think, 'cause we all want love and we want it right now. No one in my life is calling my.
Hi guys, thanks for tuning in today. Today I was going to talk to you about this folding table that I found at Walmart. It is a reversible table that you can, well, repositioning table that you can put in 4 different sizes and or heights. And I got it from my daughter's room, of course. And it's I painted it silver. I had it for a while. I just had not DIY'd it, which was painting it silver and putting glitter on the top. So I also had these pieces in the house that I shopped around the house for. They were just in my old storage room, and they were silver, like the highest sheen of chrome silver. These 2 pieces are from Frontgate. They got the matching legs and feet. It's really, really pretty. I absolutely love this. It was almost sad to have to paint it because the chrome finish was so brilliant and shiny. I just really love the finish and I hated to do that. And this little stool here came from Ollie's about 2 years ago. I think I paid $19 for it. It really has no cushion, so I'm going to be adding extra cushion to it. That'll also give it a little bit more height. And all of those items are going in my daughter's room. Yes, as small as her room is, believe it or not, I'm going to make it work. Okay, so I had this gold garland leaf with the little berries on it, and it's metal, so I just kind of like wrapped it around this lantern shade, and just for a different effect than to leave it so plain. So I thought maybe I would just, spray it either white or silver, and voila, the silver one, of course. So I went with silver, and so this is going to be hanging from the ceiling with the lantern cord that you saw me haul from Michael's. Well, you guys, I'm almost there. I've been stenciling her room, and we finally got free time to work on her room, and she doesn't have any clients right now, so I'm going to try to take advantage of that and get started. I'll see you in the reveal. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.